Hello and welcome to this course on ISO 45001 Safety Management System, and I welcome all of you once again in this course. Today we are going to start our section 2, which will deal about clause number 4. So let us begin our journey of understanding the ISO 45001 Safety Management System. In this section, we are going to discuss about the foundation of ISO 45001, which is this clause, that is clause number 4. And in reality, the whole safety management system starts from this clause. As we know that nature of work varies from organization to organization, therefore, it is necessary to understand the context in which the organization operates. So basically the rationale behind this clause is to understand the requirements needed to achieve OH&S, that is occupational health and safety objectives of the particular organization. Understanding the context will help us define the scope and the subsequent planning needed to achieve OH&S objectives. Clause 4 is basically divided into 4 subclauses. 4.1 defines the ambitions of the organization and any issues that could impact its achievement. 4.2 identifies needs and expectations of stakeholders, that is to say, workers and other interested parties. In subclause 4.3, we define the scope of organization with the help of information gathered from subclauses 4.1 and 4.2. And clause 4.4 basically deals with the overall design of the occupational health and safety management system. In the next video, we will discuss each subclause in more details, so stay tuned.